carbon monoxide is a silent killer. It's odorless, colorless, and can be deadly. The CDC estimates that over 400 people die from carbon monoxide poisoning each year. But installing a carbon monoxide alarm can save lives. Kidda and First Alert are two trusted brands that offer reliable carbon monoxide alarms. These alarms can detect carbon monoxide levels and alert you before it's too late. It's important to install a carbon monoxide alarm on each level of your home and outside sleeping areas. And remember to test your alarms regularly. So, if you haven't already, invest in a carbon monoxide alarm today. It could save your life.
F. Jiren Krieger, get back here, you mouth-farting brat.